he's written a lot of papers and we need to learn a lot from him.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll be just presenting a few of the papers which we have written. Okay, next. So I declare no conflict of interest. Next. We should be aware of this black market. And IHRSP is probably the first society to announce the black market. Next, please. As we know, our field of hair transplantation is basically passing through an evolutionary phase. So this is the punch which was used by Okura in 1939. It's about 4 millimeter punch. So these were the scars of the past. Next. And this is what we get today. So we have to see after a few years that what we are going, in which direction we are going. Next.